Okay. Okay, Wolf wanted to tell you about his lava lamp.
This is my lava lamp.
What's the first rule about lava lamp?
Don't touch it.
Lava lamp is hot. What's the second rule about lava lamp?
Don't touch it.
That's also the second rule about lava lamp. Lava lamp is hot, don't touch it. What's the third rule about lava lamp? Lava lamp is
Will burn
awesome.
you. Oh.
Also, it will burn you. Yes. Okay, you tell her about your lava lamp. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Boy, that's so cool.
My lava lamp looks really cool. At first it was just a big solid ball of wax. A big solid puck of wax. Then after a few minutes it started melting. Then after a few hours it's like this. Honestly, I like how it glows when it starts to go up. But it stops glowing when it reaches a certain height. Oh man, hey, it's falling down. Man, watching a lava lamp is so entertaining and calming.
It's what?
Entertaining and calming.
Entertaining and fun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's enough for tonight.
Okay, we'll let it cool off and we'll put it in your room on a safe surface tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
But we'll keep it here for tonight. Okay?
Right.
I love you. I'm glad you like your lava lamp, buddy.
Well, now it's falling again.
Yeah. You can stay and watch it a bit if you want. Okay? Say goodnight, Miss Sabrina.
Good night, Miss Sabrina.